Meaning of flea.
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 Flea. A flea is a small, wingless insect that feeds on the blood of mammals and birds. They use their powerful legs to jump great distances, making them difficult to catch. Fleas are known for causing irritation and discomfort to their hosts, and can transmit diseases such as bubonic plague and typhus. They are common pests in households with pets, and can be controlled through regular grooming, vacuuming, and insecticide treatments. Overall, fleas are a nuisance that should be dealt with promptly to prevent infestations and potential health risks.